Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share a rack that I received, and this is from my girl Cheryl. She is Sheryl's Crafty World. If you don't know her, I will leave her link in my description box below so you can head over there and check her out. She is Cheryl from Sheryl's Crafty World, and if you know her, you're familiar with .com. That was for you, Cheryl. Hey girl, thank you so much for thinking of me. I don't even know what it says. Thank you. Let's check this card out. Enjoy life. Yes, she made this too. Look at how pretty this is. Makaz Home, sending you a little crafty love. Hope you enjoy your mini handmade embellishment book. Blessings, Charlene. Sheryl's Crafty World. Oh my gosh, girlfriend, thank you. I'm sure I will love it. Look at this. It's beautiful. She put it in this plastic to protect it. Oh my goodness, look at the colors. Time wasted at the beach is time well spent. Always, always, always. And bonus if you're there with family and friends. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. A pocket here. She has some embellishments here that say laugh, smile, love. And they're scallop pieces with a flower and a butterfly. So cute. And then she has this envelope like I said. And in the envelope, oh my goodness, she has these golden circles. Cool. And it looks like it's sewed. How awesome, because I do not know how to sew. I don't even have a sewing machine to try. And then she has a pocket on this side. And she's got this little cutout here. It says, come join us. And then she's added these journaling cards. Oh yeah, look at that. Think on that for a little bit. Thank you, Cheryl. Look, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, and then she's got some Mickey page flags. So cute. And here's another pocket. She's added more goodies. Oh, some memory decks blanks. Thanks. I need to make some. So I might be using these. You might see these in my next projects. Oh, look at these. And then she used those gold circle, glittered circles that I showed before. She added these postage tickets. She added a scalloped heart. A flower. She topped it with a satin rose. So pretty. Look at them. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Cheryl. And then she included some die cuts and some frames and a whole bunch of other goodies in here. Sorry for the crinkling, but I want to show you. Oh, she made frames. Look how pretty. And here's another. They're like Polaroid frames. Oh, and look at the pineapple. Oh, Cheryl, so cute. Can you guys hear my dog whining? He went out of the room before I started filming, so I closed the door. Now he's crying because he wants to get back in. Oh, it's too much. But, oh, Cheryl, thank you so much for your gifts. I love it. I love this rack. Thank you. Just thank you for thinking of me. I'm so excited to be able to use these. And if you guys don't know Cheryl, like I said, check her out in my description box below. There'll be a link to her channel so you can go check out her and Mr.com. Hope you guys are having a crafty week. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification if you want to follow me on this journey so you're notified when I do upload videos. Here are more videos to watch here. And until my next video, shakas!